way!
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Sorry, I was just passing by and wanted to say hi.
Where did you come from?
I'm a magician as well, so it's like...
Whenever you're back in the UK, would you like to get a drink?
We are in beautiful London. The weather is absolutely amazing.
no way!
I'm going to film 4 people. As always, the full episodes are going to come every Sunday, but this is just a little highlight and sneak peek behind the scene. Enjoy.
You know what? It was easier than I thought. I thought you were quite a cute one to come say hi.
Hi. I'm in about story.
Unfortunately,
I'm with Abdal again for day 2.
excuse me, sorry.
Thank you so much.
I don't understand what's going on.
Okay, so today for the first time in Social Animal, I'm seeing Abdal the 3rd time back to back. You're probably thinking, well, Abdal is a lost cause, just why don't you just drop him, Ruben? But no one is a lost cause, and we're not leaving anyone behind. Let's go.
Let's roll, man. Let's go.
Pray for me, please.
Hi, sorry, do you mind if I join?
I don't understand.
Oh, Spanish?
Spanish.
Un poco de español!
Sorry, I don't really do this often, like go up to girls, so I thought most of them like, you know.
What is your name?
Omar.
Nice to meet you. I admire the courage.
Like, sometimes I say I'm a pussy. I just say if I'm just a pussy, I can't do it.
It's the fear of people disliking.
Probably I'm bothering them.
My mind just freezes and I just have no idea what to say.
I just want to chat to loads of different people. That's a sick backpack.
Oh, thank you so much.
Are you like a hiker?
Thanks for this one.
Okay, no, bye-bye.
Wait, can I get all your names? I probably won't remember them.
You seem very officey, like, you know. Yeah, it was some bullshit.
Yeah, that's like you.
What do you do here? You asked me everything. But
Yeah, you didn't ask me anything either. It's quite one-sided.
I'm just happy. I'm happy it's out of the way, and I'm ready to move on to bigger and better things.
Sometimes you just got to show people that you actually exist.
Anyway, I will head on, and can I give you a hug? Do you do hugs?
Sure.
Okay,
That was incredible.
Honestly, I think it's very eye-opening.
Wow.
Never give up on your dreams, you know.
Right.